When is it okay to install synthetic materials on my older home?
It is sometimes okay. We use synthetic materials, typically structurally, because they are better than what was existing if we have to do replacement. So we will use like an LVL or some of those structural rated timbers and things, and then we'll make sure that you can't see it or put it in an area where it's not heavily trafficked. You want to be careful with synthetic materials because a lot of times they're new and they don't have a good track record, and then you end up doing more damage to the building than not. So if you're going to install something that was not traditional or not original to the house or the time period, make sure that you're choosing a product that is sensitive and also has a good track record so that you don't end up damaging your building more than the repair you're trying to make.